Yeah, everything is good. Everything is ready. Let's get this shit. Oh my god, that is such a cannot get enough with it. Today looks like to be an interesting day. Market ripped up. Okay. Market up. Let's see. Let's see in the daily time frame, weekly time frame. We got just like I met. Go to the daily. The previous day low. We got close above. So we're expecting lower prices, but market super to the low. Stay. So we're expecting higher prices here. Bird. Let's go to the daily time frame. We go to the weekly. Weekly, I just think I missed. So I'm looking for a TGIF. I'm looking for a reversal for the day. Or we could look for a continuation still, but I'm gonna find that out during New York session. So right now, I don't know where market will really head to, but market super on the daily range low. So we're expecting higher prices from here. For 4 hour time frame, the 9 o'clock. Okay, what's happening over here then? SMT here. Okay, we got it looks like to be SMT here. The way we're gonna enter this trade is gonna be out of SMT as well. So yeah. Let's see how this goes. This one first dollar liquidity, well this one didn't. So let's see if this will push it out as well. Because we got S&T here, so this would be a protected low. Okay, so go to the daily. So I'm looking for a higher prices here. So what is my CRT key level? Let's go to the daily or this. Okay, first dollar liquidity goes above that. Okay, so our key level could be this daily block, which we already tapped into, or it could be the previous day's low. Okay, so the previous day can be low as well. Our key level right over here. So our key level is going to be the previous day low. But for our CRT, it looks like you have an SMT here. Okay. Like we have an SMT there. Okay, so now let's go to our hourly time frame. Okay, so 4 hour time frame, mark out this. This kind of press it out, get a closer above that. Are we in the range here in a 4 hour time frame? The 4 hour order flow is bearish as well, so but we have a here. Bullish, bearish, both soaked out, close below, place back. We're not in a. We do have this hourly auto block as our key level. For this key level for this daily CRT would be this auto block. So this 4 hour, this hourly auto block could be a way to enter this over here, but let's see the interesting. Yesterday I got stopped out due to SMT. Ooh, what type of SMT there, bro? What type of SMT? What type? What was it, in New York session or London session? I personally don't like SMT as well. It's kind of, for me, it's kind of difficult to trade SMT because this low that gets protected, eventually market needs to come back down here because this is literally a relatively equal low now, right? These are playing as relatively equal low, so usually eventually market needs to come back down here, take out this low. Usually SMT is the only way you can get protected most of the time. SMT protects you the most of the time. Oh, in New York session, there was SMT here on the lower time frame or higher time frame, brother. Let me lock in, bro. Now this messed up my whole game plan though, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. So GU soup out the low, the 5, okay, but EU didn't. But that's so fucking gay. But we do have this hourly video array, so let's go to the dailies, mark out our daily as well here. This is our daily key level. Press allocator. This is our daily auto block as our key level. Now, so that activates this. That key level is for the daily CRT because we do have the daily CRT here. Market looks like it's gonna create this hourly auto block here. I want to see if this SMT could be true or not. Okay. We're gonna have this hourly key level here. So yeah, bearish, bullish, actual purge, key level right here. We could get a tap into this key level and get a higher push up here. Send in a Discord. Yes, sir. Let me go check real quick, brother. Let me check. Let me see. Let me see. I don't see it, by the way, brother. If I see it, where you might want to resend it because I don't see it in Discord. Am I blind, bro? See it. So over here, we do have this alley over. Let me see. Oh yeah, now I see it. Now I see it. S&T there. Okay, Neo. Okay. At what time did you take it, by the way? At what time did you take the trade? Because if there's that S&T might be wait, the S&T was there actually S&T there? Oh yeah, there was a S&T there. Yeah, because S&T lost. Okay, okay. Man, I mean, a simple way to solve that is just because you should be waiting till 9 a.m. to take a trade. I think before anytime before the 9 a.m., it's kind of bad to trade. Taking a trade before 9 a.m. is kind of awful because around 9 a.m. the 5 a.m. candle already be here usually becomes a S&T here a lot. You see the 5 a.m. 9 a.m. never did SMT here. Well, this one, you see the SMT over there, right? Right there with these two correlated pair. You can see that 9 a.m. is when the SMT happens. So anything before 9 a.m. usually I'm saying a way to lose easily. But the only way it would be in my opinion, it would be trading before 9 a.m. if you have an actual setup here, because you can see right at 9 a.m. market created this fair value gap, right? So market retraced this fair value gap. Eventually, that's where it got stopped out because market needs to retrace this fair value to push the market price down, right? So yeah, man. But yeah, that SMT sometimes it's kind of difficult. But yeah, they definitely have a setup there, which is a good ass setup. But yeah, man. I think you would have avoided that loss if you had just waited for the New York session high would have got swept out. That would have been a you would have avoided it. You took a trade at 9:15. Yeah, the purge happened at 10 a.m., bro. You can see at 10 a.m. the purge happened, right? So market tapped fair value gap at 10 a.m. So yeah, you can see at 9 a.m. market really never tapped the fair value gap. This right over here is the fair value gap. Anything above this is a fair value gap. So you can see at 10 a.m. is when they tapped it. And yeah, I know you did. I know you did take that before. At 9 a.m. It's just because you have to wait for a saying confluence there, right? So yeah, well, you know how to fix it. You know what I mean? Okay. I want to see how can I be taking a trade out of this. I might be taking a swing trade here from the 5 minute time frame. Push it up to the price to the 50%, which is call it off there because there is a SMT here as well. Yep, there is definitely SMT here. Yeah, but GDP didn't. Yep. Today you're not taking no trades. Yeah, I mean personally, I might not take a trade, but I want to see how price goes because in this what it's telling me right now, it looks like there's gonna be no trades for me to take here. What it's telling me right now is gonna be no trades, but there could definitely be a trade from here. The CISD could give me a setup here. I want to see how news plays out as well because there's a lot of news today. There's what at 3:15, 3:30, and yeah, that's the only news, right? And there's another one here as well. Let me see news. At 3:15, 3:30, 4:30. God damn. Yeah, there's hella news today, man. But these news I'm expecting to for the market to, say give us some more volume. Are you looking? Am I looking for longs or short? I'm looking for longs. The reason I'm looking for longs because the previous day low got swooped out, and the next drone liquidity for me looks to be here. Agent session does look like to be. Agent session does like for me look like to be the low of the day because SMT here. So I mean, this SMT could definitely be false over here. You know what I'm saying? Or we could get a reversal during New York session, but yeah, only time could tell. But yeah, I'm looking for this from this CISD. I'm looking to long it till this 50% of this daily range. Eventually get out from there because we do have a fair value gap here, which could be the 50% of the fair value gap. Bitch. Let me see something here real quick. In EU, there is a weekly drawn liquidity for sell side. Weekly drawn liquidity for sell side. Yeah, I do see that as well. I do see that as well. We do have a monthly, 3 month as well, actually. But I do see because like the weekly objective did get met. So this would be probably next week. Now to me, this right over here, the sell liquidity is the goal overall for the 3 month goal, right? All the way over here. On the weekly as well. The weekly objective is all the way down here. But this could be a TGIF, meaning a reversal for Friday, right? Friday could just, do a retracement. Eventually next week should be the week where we'll get another classic push down there. Shit, ask me for 300. Checking something. Hold on. If I don't get this shit, bro, I'm putting this game instantly, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Let's see. Let's see. Damn. Okay, so now I got it. Let's see. I think price is retracing to a premium for Viga. Okay, okay. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I see this red fair value right over here as well. Okay, okay. You might get a point there, brother. Because New York session is gonna be the interesting session for me personally. Come on, gonna get a 1 point, please, bro. Shit. Yeah, fuck that shit. I'm not doing that shit again. Oh my goodness, bro. All right, let's get it back to the game mode. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we do have this. This does look like it met the weekly objective, which is this weekly low right over here. So I'm looking for the Friday to be a reversal slash retracement to a say to end the weekly range off. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. The daily time frame market looks like market super at the low. I'm feeling like in this case, it does look like to me to be a it does look like to be a Asian low. So we could look at this. Let's see at this right over here. Because there's an SMT here, that's why. So this might be a delayed protection profile. What is the delayed protection profile here? Yeah, this does look like a delayed protection profile because there is a SMT here, but this SMT could not be true. It also could not be. It also could be a false SMT because market has 4 hours of candle closure, right? And what's our objective for a day? To me personally, this 50% of this could be this fair value right over here, and especially this 50% of this daily range, right? And this right over here. So yeah, after that goal is met, we could be looking for a reversal. So today I'm feeling like this could be a daily protection profile with a New York continuation to the upside to end of the day off, right? So let's see. So the mm-hmm. Hey, today's project kind of fucked me up. I'm not gonna lie. This SMT here, okay. This SMT here, okay. Now it's hard for me to read the how price is moving today. Okay, so let's just now complicate this and just put the 17 o'clock there, 17 o'clock here. Go to the hourly time frame. Market opened, accumulated, manipulated. So accumulation, market accumulated a lot. Market went down, manipulated over here, then expanded, right? So now you can see a retracement or a consolidation. So over here in a 15-minute time frame, market open, accumulation, manipulation, expansion. So we can see a retracement to the order block, then eventually another expansion, or a accumulation, eventually another saying manipulation, eventually another expansion. And New York, we're gonna catch a push up. So for my goal for the day, since we don't have a 4 hour CRT, I'm not bearish for the day. I'm not bearish for the day because fucking this 4 hour CRT is going against my bots, which is bullish because the previous day low got rated. So I'm looking for long to go to the previous day's high. You read books? Nah, bro. I just spent $300 or something, bro. It's just yeah, I spent $300 on something and it did not pan out. It did not work out in my favor, bro. $300 went to waste. Okay. We do have this on number one auto block, hourly time frame. So this could be a hourly. Actually, no. Actually, this model number one over here, you can see bearish, bearish. Both of them helped it out. So we have this model one right over here that we could retrace to and push price back up. We do have this breaker block with it. We could expect some higher prices because market, if this SMT is true, market is not gonna push all the way back down here. Just take a look at it and go back up. And hey, I'm not expecting for the market to go down there, but market can do whatever he wants. If I do see an entry over here, I'm looking to take that entry. But my goal over the day for the day is gonna be to this right over here, to this 50% mark. Let me push that up. Yeah, I don't need the price point. That's the goal to go to. Why do I say the 50%? Because market on the daily time frame took out the CRT low, which the previous CRT low, the previous day low. So market took the previous day's low. The next drawn liquidity to me is going to be 50% and 100%. So if today's session and last session goes to 50%, if New York gives us a good way to predict the protection the daily profile, we'll be looking for another long, New York session, or we could look for a reversal there. Oh, we're also in the 4-hour CRT here as well. We're also in the 4-hour CRT. We're on this 9 a.m. CRT here as well. So our oral goals over there as well. You can see market purged it out. I did not purge it out right time, but we did get a purge here. There's bigger range right over here, so there's bigger range for this. I don't like this. So my goal is definitely to do this 50% and to the 15-minute time frame here. Market purge it out. Do we get a if we had a model one entry here, bearish bullish, push it out, boom. Model one entry right over here. So we're right at 2 o'clock when we had the entry for this. For long. Okay, I'm definitely looking for long here now then. But my overall take profit for this would be TP1 here. This 4-hour CRT. TP2 right over here, and TP3 would be these. So runner's gonna here, so they're gonna take out 40%, they take out 30%, they take out 10%, 20%, they take out 10%. Okay, so my goals all over. So I'm looking for a re-entry here on the model number one, which could be this. See on this 50 time. I want to burst it out. Market opened. So I'm looking for a 5-minute entry because we're going to be using a early model number one here. So let's see if market could push back down there. We do have news here, so news could definitely do some volume into this push price. during the 4 hour time when we are in this bigger range right over here when 9 a.m. CRT. So we'll get the market to go over here. Okay, so let's see. I'm looking for a push up after this model 1 gets tapped here, says auto block. Let's see. We did get a structure shifter here on hourly as well. So we're looking for this look to be a delayed protection profile where each session makes the low of the day. In New York, and London, New York transition continues to move to the upside because we do have an SMT here, so London transition does look like it's going to make the low of the day here. Market opened, market made a low, market looking to market open at a low, tap the key level, stop, look for a higher move, open low, high, close, open low, high. That could be open low, then it high. So out of this hourly order block, I'm looking to enter the trade to the long position. TP1 would be 50% of this 4 hour range would be this. Yeah, it would be that because why would that be my first TP? Because we're in this range and the entry for this already happened, but it happened before 3 a.m. So I'm looking to trade that. So I'm looking for the way to getting into the move, which would be out of from this hourly order block or this breakout block. It could be both because the daily time frame. The daily time frame is in play as well, and the 4 hours as well. So I'm looking for this TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. But let's see if we're gonna get a pushback down here. If we don't get a pushback down here, it would be kind of absurd. But the reason I don't really care about this for Fair gap because the previous day low got rated, right? The previous day low got rated. If the previous day would have not been rated, I would have been looking for shorts to push down to the previous day low. But the previous day low got shorted, so the rate got rated. So I'm looking for longs here. All we're gonna do is just bust the market until we get a setup here. All right, chat. Let's see. Let's see. The only way I would have been, the only way I could enter this move to the upside would be from this auto block, because market is no way in hell it's gonna go all the way back down here. It's unrealistic for the market to go do that, right? I mean, there's nothing's impossible here, but that right there is, kind of absurd. We're still in the expansion phase right over here. We're not retracing. It's an expansion phase, so market has not stopped yet. So, yeah, the only way we could be stopping from here and doing a retracement would be out of this fair value gap that we're in right now. This fair value could do a retracement here or slash reversal. Then we could tap another key level, then we could do a reversal back to the upside. But right now, we are in the expansion phase. How are we in the expansion phase? You can see market accumulation, manipulation, expansion. Expansion phase still has not ended yet, so we could see more moves up here. We could see more. If wick below, expecting higher prices, wick below the previous days, so we look on for higher prices here. This does look like to be a TGIF for the week, so basically a reversal slash retracement to end off the week. But yeah, so my trade might be during London session, might be during New York, but not right now. Because I'm only going to be taking a trade through 3 a.m. to 5 a.m., 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Why am I not waiting till 5 a.m. for today? Is just because there's no CRT there, and this is a kill zone time for this is a silver bullet time. Let's see, let's see. My brain today is kind of cooked right now. I don't know why. I can't even think straight. Yeah. We don't have any daily range here. Do we have any daily range at a 4 hour time frame? Market took out the low. Daily range already got respected one below it. Market took out the high, took out the low, then another low over here. We could feel like this is the dealing range. So this would be a discount area. So everything in here is discount. Premium to a premium back down. It does not look like dealing range. The market advanced market structure shift is definitely bearish. You can see is bearish. We're projecting highs and breaking lows. Reject the high, give reaction out of it. Reject the high, broke through the lows, right? Broke through the lows. But today it does look to be a TGIF, so I'm definitely looking to do a counter trend move. Market, stop gay. Oh, we did have the purge on the right time. Did we have the purge on the right time? It's from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. That's 12. It's okay. So at 12:45 is when we had the purge of the liquidity. Market at 2 a.m. Market came down near S&T here. Okay, so this is still a correct timing of the purge because we have S&T displaying here. So yeah, there's S&T. If this would have been the weaker pair, market would have went down below, took out this low. So this would have been a correct timing of the purge. Eventually, the market would have definitely been around here for a little bit. Eventually, market would have gone even lower. Since there's S&T here, market doesn't really need to do that. Market is definitely pushing up. Let's see how the news plays out. There's a GBP news. Do I watch UFC? Hell yeah, bro. I'm waiting for the Tom Aspinall versus John Jones, bro. I don't know when they're gonna fight, bro. Bro, I love John Jones, bro. He's the best pound for pound UFC fighter of all time. But it's just that Tom Aspinall is a hungry ass person, bro. He wants that. He's a killer, man. He's a motherfucking killer. Bro, it's kind of. If you're a boy, if you're like a man, and you don't watch UFC, you're probably gay. Oh, hoo, hoo. Who's came out gave us a surprise here. Oh my goodness. No, it won't happen. Yeah, bro. He literally said that. John Jones literally said, I don't want to be fighting a new upcomers because he's obviously gonna win because they're a new generation, right? He doesn't want to be fighting people like that. So let's see. We do have a setup here. Let's see how the market expect this low. Let's see if we get a respect out of this low. Yeah, let's lock into the chart. Let's talk about UFC a little bit later. I ain't gonna lie. I do love UFC though. I do love UFC. My favorite sport is UFC though. I ain't gonna lie. See how market reacts out of this. Let's see if he holds his SMT still. Let's see if he holds his SMT still, so we can get this move in here. Because I'm looking to enter this bad boy. It does look like to be a big ass wicket here. So we can enter out of this model one entry here, right over here. Going long. Hey bro, like how are we gonna go? If my you know what I'm saying, if my strategy is telling me to go long, I'm gonna go long, brother. We can't be listening to other people, man. We're gonna listen to your own analysis, paralysis. And if I do lose, I'm gonna find out. If I do win, I'm gonna find out, right? It's all about the process rather than the outcome. Market did touch this model one here. Okay, so we might get a good move in here. Did tap this part for buy gap here, but I'm rooting for longs here. As we push down right back down here. Okay, so we push down without having any confirmation here. So let's see. Because all I care about right now, if this SMT holds, if this SMT could hold, so this is all I truly care about because this model one right over here is this 9 p.m. CRT is still true. This 9 p.m. CRT is still true because this is SMT. So that is this CRT right here is still true because of the SMT. Damn, I can't speak English right now, bro. This SMT is still true because this CRT is still true because of the SMT. SMT, if you motherfucking idiot. I'm looking to enter out of a 5-minute confirmation here. So I'm looking for a 5-minute model one here. I mean, I'm not entering out of there. I'm looking for a lower prices here. Let's see how the market would do it here. I might enter out of this 15-minute CRT here, 15-minute CRT within the high surface CRT. Might do that. Let's see, it's all based on the probabilities here. But for the low time frame CRT within the high time frame CRT, I'm going to be de-risking, and I'm going to be taking it on a forward testing type of a trade. So yeah, let's see. There's another news at what time? At 3:30. Okay, 3:30, 3:30. Let's see how news plays out at 3:30. Because I won't be taking a trade till 3:30 or above. Let's see how market reacts. Let's see how market reacts out of here. Because market has still not tapped this model one here yet. But if it does tap it, I might look for a long entry right out of this tap. But I do want to see a 5-minute confirmation here because we do have this hourly CISD. I'm truly going out of this hourly CISD instead of this 15-minute model one here. Although we are in a 15-minute, although we are in a 4-hour CRT range right over here. I'm looking for this hourly. I'm looking for this 5 minutes, confirmation here because 15-minute the purge did not have the right time, but there is a S&T. Alex versus Adesanya was a good one, bro. I'm looking for. I mean, they might do John Jones versus Alex Pereira, bro. I'm rooting for John Jones, bro. Alex Pereira is a good one, but man, John Jones is gonna wrestle him, bro. I'm telling you, bro. John Jones is just gonna wrestle and elbow, bro. That's all it's gonna do, bro. If that does happen, bro, you're gonna see a lot of wrestling with John Jones is just a good wrestler, bro. And he's tall and he's big, bro. Oh my goodness. But bro, I like my favorite UFC fighter of all time, bro. Has to be, bro. This gonna be a biased as one, but it's to me it's gonna be either John Jones or Alex Poatan Pereira. I have three, right? And the last one is Shamzat Chimaev, bro. These are the best fighters. I don't care, bro. These are like unique ass fighters, bro. Unique, good fighters. Nate versus Leon Edwards is your favorite fight. Yeah, I never saw Nate versus. Oh yeah, Leon Edwards. Yeah, the UFC champion. Now he got his ass beat from Bilal Muhammad, bro. Remember the name, but Muhammad. That one was a good one when he did a finger at him, bro. You know what I'm saying? When he did that to him, bro. That was a good fight. Ain't gonna lie. But man, UFC is doing Nate Diaz and Nick Diaz so dirty, bro. They're like one of the best duos out there, bro. That's one of the best, brothers out there, man. Okay, so all I'm waiting for is a 5-minute CRT confirmation would be market needs to go lower from here, man. I see another purge of liquidity here. If I see another purge of liquidity here, I'm looking for to entering out of this, or I could be looking for S&T here. This S&T could be a really good thing here. Oh fuck! What did I? See, they do have an S&T in a 4-hour time frame. Okay, yeah, where are you at? Where's the price? That's a negative. Where the fuck is price, bro? Over here. They ruined Nick Diaz, bro. For real, bro. Nick Diaz is such a good wrestler. He's a unique ass wrestler as well, bro. His wrestling skills are crazy. He choked out a person with a I don't know what type of choking out is that, but he is a good ass BJJ. Bro. I'm myself. I'm not a good wrestler. I think I'm all right grappler, but I am overall a boxer more than a wrestler, bro. My boxing is way better than my wrestling, but bro, my wrestling is so shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so market did press out this 15-minute candle right over here. So EU is going long. Bro, this is so fucking. I don't know what to use. I like Islam more than Khabib. Yeah, bro, he's way more proficient as well. He's way more, what I'm saying. He's like Khabib, but 2.0, bro. He's like way better than Khabib, bro. In my eyes, bro. But for me, bro, Shamgat Chimaev is way better, bro. Yeah, better than all of these, Dagestanis, bro. Shamgat Chimaev is the best one. He's a Chechnyan. Shit. Oh. They almost fell down, bro. Oh. Even outlet striking, yeah, bro, for real, cause grappling is a good thing, but wrestling is kinda to me it's kinda gay, bro. When I was in high school, when I wrestled, bro, it's kinda weird, bro. Cause I think yeah, I got kicked out of the team for slamming somebody, bro. Cause I would get them near the wall, right? When we practice, I would treat it like a MMA fight, right? So I would wrestle him, I would get him to the wall, near the cage, right? Near the wall, so I could, have better grappling skills. But when there is a freaking oh yeah, let me talk a little lower because my mom is sleeping. But when okay, let me just put this link over here. So I was gonna say, you said the price is respecting the 4 of her value gap in EU. Price is definitely respecting that. I see that as well. But yeah, I do see that. Let's see. Project that look good. Yeah, happened at 3. Boom. Yeah, this is a really bad risk to ratio as well, so I'm not taking that little shirt there. The shorting is the risk to ratio is gonna be ass. But what I was gonna say is that when I was in high school, when I used to wrestle, right, I would be doing it as a MMA type of wrestling, right? So I'll get him near the cage so I could grapple better, right? But fucking coach wouldn't let me do that, bro. He would be like, okay, get back in a circle, bro. Get the fuck, man. I got mad, so I just body slammed that guy in a circle. But every time I do it in a circle match, it's kind of harder for me to fucking wrestle, bro. Cause this guy, bro, I don't know who I fought, but this guy was running around the circle, right? I couldn't catch him, right? I was like, bro, why are you running away from me, bro? So yeah, I was tweaking out, bro. I was a crash out. Then eventually we got in a fight, but the only reason I got in a fight was because that guy was fucking a pussy, bro. I was like, bro, why are you running away, bro? Fight me, bro. Fight me or wrestle me, wherever, bro. Cause every time I would get them near the cage or near the wall. In my wrestling team, there would be no cage, but there would be a wall, right? Get them near the wall and I started fucking like near the wall. It's easier for me to take him down because I could use the wall as my advantage, right? Could push him through the wall near the wall and eventually just grapple from there because they're not that good with it. Or I could just outbox him near the wall, bro. When I do my boxing, my best advantage in boxing is basically me getting them near a fucking near the corners, and that's why I'd be doing most of my combos. Because when it's the middle of the corner or the middle of the ring, it's harder for me to hit more shots because that guy, the dominance. That's what it matters, right? But let me stop talking about fucking boxing or this wrestling shit. Let me focus on training right now, cause we could talk that later. You're planning to join boxing next year? No, I mean next year, January. Next January is next year, right? Yeah, man, dude, you join it, bro. It's a good thing, bro. It's just for the mental health. The mental health is a good thing because you're a trader, brother. The mental health is very fucking effective. Very effective, not very effective, very useful. Because when you're a trader, there's emotions, bro. The best way to take out these emotions when you have trading, when you're in trading, right? When you're doing trading, is by boxing. You all see my way of talking right now, bro. I can't even talk straight, bro. What the fuck? What's wrong with me, bro? Out of nowhere. And I apologize for the way I'm speaking right now. Is I'm not making sense for some reason. My brain is cooked right now. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know how, bro. I don't know how. Okay, so yeah, you can see me like this. Okay, so what I'm looking at is for a time frame. We do have this forward for value and get respected, but I'm looking to long out of this 1 hour CISD. That's model one. This news comes out in next 30 seconds. After getting to trading, I lost so many friends. Me as well, bro. My friends became fake as fuck. But like, hey, it's a good thing regardless, man. Cutting off friends is really good thing to me. I have way too many friends, which is not good. Okay, news is playing out. News is playing out. Let's see. This SMT is still holding. Let's see this SMT could still hold. We have still have not tapped this model one, but I'm waiting for this extra confirmation here. So yeah. Okay, same low. Okay, there was no purge of that liquidity. The news data low was not purged. So let's see. I'm still waiting for this purge of this, the news data. And I'm looking for a long there. Okay, let's lock in. I'm looking for it here. Although this forward fair value gap is getting respected, I'm still waiting for longs here because TGIF. Okay, we have this low right over here. Market. We have this low market banner low right over here. Market pressure is low. The market already prices this liquidity. Market pressure another liquidity. So after tapping this liquidity, looking for another pressure liquidity, which would be this low right over here. So auto block could get us into the upside. This could be a smaller notice. Or we get into this low term STRT within that right here. Let's see. What is a daily candle? Okay, let's see. This is below this candle right over here. It's the opening price. So we're gonna be sellers. We're gonna be buyers below the opening price. Let's see. Let's lock in. Let me get my money right here. We do have another news our next news is gonna be at 4:30 a.m. 1:45. It's gonna be at 4:30 a.m. Okay. With the GBP news. And we might have SMT here. Let's see the hour time. Okay, Like market pressure, this is pretty well. Are you in a trade? No, I'm not right now. No, I'm not. I'm waiting for this confirmation here. I'm waiting for this confirmation. I might enter out of this low time CRT. Nope, nope, nope. Not right now. Not right now. Wait. Because I don't want to be buying around here because there's a fair value get rid of here, right? I want to be buying in a cheap price. So let's see. We still have this 15-minute CRT right over here. Let me make my chart more cleaner here. They put the rules. Yep. I'm just waiting for confirmation here. What is the confirmation for this? Would be the it may be a win or a loss. Do you have your checklist? Yes, I do have my checklist. My checklist is basically if the daily previous low gets souped out, which is right here, which got souped out right over here, and we have an hourly CISD after the purge of this liquidity, so you can see previous day's low, purge of liquidity. We had eventually what else do we have? We had a hourly CISD to the upside. You can see two bearish candle that helped to take out his low. CISD, so this could be a CISD and a model number one. So once that CISD gets retapped into, I'm looking for another entry. It says we're not using this 4 hours. It says we're not using this 4 hour CRT here because there's an SMT here and their target goal already got met. Looking to enter out of this model number one here. So once this hourly CRT, once this hourly CISD or auto block or model number one gets tapped into, we're looking for a 5-minute confirmational entry, which would be a 5-minute model number one. I hate this. This is so annoying. It's against the higher time frame. Today is a TGIF for the weekly profile because market met this weekly objective. So we're looking for a retracement on a higher time frame, which would be the daily time frame retracement. But on the lower time frame for the intraday would be a reversal. But on the higher time frame would be a retracement, by the way. So it would not be a whole reversal to the upside. It will not be a reversal to go to the whole to over here. It would just be a retracement on the higher time frame. But in the lower time frame, it would be a reversal. On the higher time frame would be a retracement. So now let's go to our market profiling, market accumulated, manipulated, expanded. Now we tap the key level. So we're looking for a reversal. Market tapped another key level. So we can look for another reversal back to the upside. Or this could be as well as this. Accumulation, manipulation, expansion, retracement. Eventually we could look for another expansion here or a consolidation. But I'm looking to enter out of this model one order block right over here. Today is going to be a counter trend trade because of the TGIF or the weekly objective goal already got met. So we're looking for this today. We're looking for today to be a retracement on the higher time frame or reversal on the lower time frame. But this SMT right over here is still holding off, which is excellent. As long as this SMT holds, we should be expecting higher prices. But if this S&P does not hold, the next session is gonna be kind of different for me. So yeah, let's see. If this session could hold this SMT off, next session will be a whole different story. Next session will be a this today looks like to be a delayed protection profile because A session looks like it's gonna be A session made the low of the day, while London and New York continues to move, but this could definitely be false or it could be true because we do have SMT here. So SMT is gonna make the A session at the low of the day and make it a delayed position profile. But here's what could be low. It could also be wrong. But here to learn and improve instead of, you know what I mean, instead of fucking capping our ass off. I can't see your text real quick. Let me see. Do I see the text? I don't see your text, brother. Can you? I think you're probably lagging. That's why. But we're gonna send soon. So I'm looking to look for a trade till 5 a.m. After 5 a.m. I'm not looking for no trades, but till 5 a.m. I'm looking for a trade. So let's see. Let's see. At 4:30, we do have another news here, right? At 4 o'clock or 4:30. 4:30 gets 30. At 4:30. So if I do gain a trade around like from right now to 4:30, and I'm in a trade, and if I'm in profit, I'm gonna break even. If I'm not in profit, I'm going to hold. If there is no news, this would be my trade. Serious Sirski looks good. Yeah, man. Yeah, you gotta stick to your own rules as well, right? So yeah, my rules are saying is bullish. Your rules are saying bearish. But all we're gonna do is just let probabilities, you know, we're gonna let the probabilities play instead of trying to be right. I'm not trying to be right. I'm not trying to be wrong. I'm trying to let the probabilities play out instead of me trying to be right. I'm not gonna go and prove myself to be right. I'm just going to be doing what I'm going to be doing. That is not the fucking model. Bearish bullish. So let's do a real quick recap here. Bearish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle. So okay, so for today, for right now, market has a bearish candle, bullish candle. I don't know why I counted this as a model number one. That would be not our model number one. Our model number one, this candle right over here. So this would be our model. Or we could enter out the CISD over here. We could enter out this. So if I do get in that low time from CRT within the high time from CRT, if I do get into low time from CRT within the high time from CRT, I will go on a demo account because that concept for me, what I'm talking about, this concept right over here, this low time from CRT within the high time from CRT. If I do get in a trade with this low time from CRT, I will not be losing it on a real account. I'll be using it in a demo account and forward testing it. And if I do take a trade on a demo account, I'm still going to be taking one trade regardless of the outcome and see next trade, next session, and go back next session and see from there on. But this is a big candle, big bulky candle. This could be used as our CRT here, the low time from CRT. There are equal lows. Yeah, I do see these equal lows right over here. Yeah, so I'm waiting for this equal lows to get purged out. I'm waiting for these equal lows to get purged out. If you after these equal lows, I'm looking too long after this. But if this SMT right over here is true, if true, we should be holding this. We should be holding this SMT off. If that's a true SMT there. Market should not be going down to this G. Market should not be going down. Market should not be going down there until tomorrow or next week. If that if that SMT is true, only if it's true. So let's see if we can hold it off. This is the 9 p.m. This is the 5 a.m. So let's see. Market open, close. The market open right over here. Open, low, high, close. This is a big ass wick. Market should be resetting it back to the upside. Let's see. Let's see. Patiente. But let's see this. Let's see if we take it out of this auto blocker. Bearish, bullish, pressure liquidity. I don't care about this one. I care about this one because this one is the one. This is the candle that pressure this liquidity. This candle did not help a pressure its own liquidity, so this is the candle that pressure this liquidity. And that candle is a bearish candle. Market has not low yet. I'm taking. Okay, so I'm not looking. So let's see if this SMT holds it true or not. We have a fresh 15-minute time frame. Let's see if this SMT could hold it true. Once this market pushes out this liquidity again, I'm looking for a re-entry to the upside. Or if this SMT could hold, we could hold. We're looking to trade. If it does not hold, so our new model one would be this bearish candle, bullish candle, boom. So close it up, boom. This is our new model. This one after tapping the CISD, the market taps the CISD, then we're looking for a model after the market taps the CISD. So we're looking for another purge after the market taps the CISD, which would be this scanner right over here. Any lows after the CISD got tested, we're looking to as a purge of liquidity. So this one. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Let's see. There is it's a manipulation move. Yeah, man, we could see. Let's see if it's any time frame here. Accumulation, manipulation, expansion. We're gonna have a retracement, then eventually another expansion over here, or this could be a reversal to the downside. And A decision could make the high of the day. I mean, low decision. Because if this is how I'm thinking it, right? this could go both ways. If this does if this does go below this, this GU low, if this does go below this SMT here, I'm looking for New York session to be more bearish. I'm looking for more sells for New York session. So it's going to be a London reversal, New York continuation. The way the New York can be a continuation is because London made the high. New York is gonna, because this is probably gonna be a fake low. Because in that case, my bots would be different. So my bots would be bearish for the next session. How would that be bearish? If only if market closes below this, right? If it closes below this, then we're gonna be using the if then principle for the next session. If the previous day closes below the next, if the previous day, if the principle, if the previous day closed the next previous below the, what the fuck? It's hard to, if the previous day closes the previous day's low, we're expecting lower prices. So if closed below lower prices, the next session, let's see if this will hold it true or not. Nope, closes below it. Okay, closes below. So that's actually not true. Okay, this is interesting here. Interesting. Modern number one guard respected. Okay, so next session, it looks like I'm looking for lower prices here. Yeah, I would have not taken this trade. Okay, let's see. So next session, I'm looking for lower prices here. Next session, I'm looking for lower prices. So is London session making the low of the day? Okay, the high of the day, I mean. Did I have my bias wrong here? Yeah, okay, I see it. Did I have my bias wrong today? Let's see. Did I have my bias wrong? This would be the normal protection profile here. It's just making the high of the day. New York continuing to move. I did I look for a long here? We did have this for riot gap. Okay. Market pressure the liquidity, so that's why I'm looking for the long here. Okay. Oh, this guy disrespected. This guy disrespected. So I'm not looking for no trade until the next session, but let's see why did I look for a long here, because the daily time frame mark at the low, super at the low. So looking for high prices here. Then the market did not push out the low and went up here, push out the high of the 4 CRT. Then I was expecting lower prices from there. Okay. The market did tap this 15-minute model number one here as well. Okay, okay. Interesting, interesting, interesting. I think I have my bias wrong for the day. Okay, how did I have my bias wrong? That would be a normal protection profile where the agent non-session makes the high of the day and New York continues it, but I was looking for a TGIF where a reversal happens. Okay, okay. Let's see, let's see. I'm not looking for no more trade until the next session. I don't think I have enough data for me to take a trade here. I don't think I have enough data for me to take a trade. It does look like I have a setup here. It does look like I had a setup for sells here. And the setup for sells looks like to be right over here, right? Boom, bullish candle. Position high and low are very important. Yep, you are kind of right for that. You are right. I mean, what I say kind of right for that. I mean, you are right. But previous session high and low and previous days high and low are important as well. We did have this over here at 2 a.m. is when you purchase out the liquidity. But 2 a.m. waited to 3 a.m. to look for a trade. So looking to use this candle a way to entering. But market did do S&T here, but if S&T was false, so we should have not even given a fuck about that. This was a normal protection profile. We're into a 5. Okay, market price out the actual 30 boom, close above, close below the news. Tapped it right over here, model number 1. The profit would be TP1, and TP2 would be the CRT low. Yeah, I would have not taken the trade because it offers me less than 2 RR. But yeah, you share this trade on the Discord. Yeah, I do see the trade, brother. I did see it. But then we did have a fair value gap for the 4-hour CRT high right over here. The 4-hour CRT, we did have this fair value gap. The 1 hour, we did, and for the 1 hourly time frame, we had the same thing as the 4 hour. Okay, it's fair value gap. It's the same thing, the same trade you take, the same trade that I'm supposed to be taking for a 1.8 RR, which I'm not going to be taking this trade because this offers me less than 2 RR. So yeah, I'm not going to be taking a trade that offers me less than 2 RR. But it looks like a 3-month objective might get met today. So they might be a move lower here. Okay, the monthly time frame might move down here to this low. Okay, okay. Okay, so let me see the weekly profile here. Let's see. So today's this week is a midweek reversal. Okay, so for the midweek reversal, Thursday and Friday has to be a continuous move to the downside or upside after the Wednesday's high or low gets created. Avoid news due to slippage. Oh yeah, Forex and Forex, the slippage is fucking crazy, bro. Yeah, especially GBPUSD, the slippage is, bro, oh my goodness. I think I had my bias wrong today. Okay, I had my bias wrong. The principal market there goes below lower price for the next day. Goes below. Market tap this, so we could look for higher prices here. Okay, close with above lower prices. We did have entry here for the lower prices. Let's see the next trade. Price moving to this fair value gap of the monthly time frame. Yeah, I do see this fair value gap right over here as well. Okay, market might go hit this strong liquidity here for the 3-month time frame, by the way, which is right over here. Yeah, which just got met. Nope, not yet. On the monthly time frame, market look like it's going to this monthly fair value, which we have here. So from this external back to internal, which will be this fair value gap. This fair value got suspected that the market narrative change because of Donald Trump. Looking to go all the way down here. Internal, external, back to internal. From here, we could be looking for there. Okay, so John liquidity just got met. Big sized ass candle, bro. Oh my goodness. Okay, I had my bias wrong for the day. Okay. This week I predicted all trades perfectly. Expect one. Okay. Hey. That's some good ass one. That's good, brother. But you don't want to be predicting too much, bro. If you predict too much, if you get it some wrong, the emotions that you gain is not worth it. You want to be reacting to the price. Although HT says that you want to be a predictor, but on these markets, man, you're not a market maker, so you predicting it's not a good thing. Even with the ICT concept, even with whatever you use, CRT is basically a ICT concept. Is a fucking ICT's ranges, bro. Simple as that, bro. It's basically a ICT concept as well, but a redefined, and improved. Yeah. So the past 2 weeks you were in a break even. Well, what was happening for the past 2 weeks, brother? What's up? What's up at the past 2 weeks? Actually, I followed my checklist that say, okay, hey, good thing. But it is it, chat. I'm gonna go and make my not trade recap. I'm gonna make my market recap for another session. I might call it off. I'm gonna come back next session, which is New York. So, yeah. This is market recap for London session for 11/22/2024. We're going to be going over what happened during London session, and yeah, let's get into it. You see on the 4-hour time today. Why did I did my thing wrong? Let me redo it. Let me redo the video because I fucked it up. This is my market recap of no trades taken. It did offer me a trade here, but the offering of the trade was less than 2 RR, which I would not be taking. And my original take profit would be here. And that original take profit offers me less than 2 RR, so I would have not been taking it. And I did not even see the trade, by the way. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I did not see this trade. I had my buys wrong for the day for some reason. Yeah, I had my buys wrong for the day. The reason I had my buys wrong for the day, I thought that was going to be a SMT here. You can see in a 4-hour time frame. before this candle closed, you go back to the 4-hour time frame, right? Before this 4-hour candle closed, this looked like to be a SMT here with correlated pair, which is GBPUSD. So I was looking for a delayed protection profile where HH is going to be the low of the day, and I was looking for a Friday, saying retracement, but it was wrong because I think this week was going to be a midweek reversal. So Thursday and Friday should be a saying a move where the market just goes expands, right, without waiting, without reversing or waiting. So Thursday and Thursday and Friday should be expanding. So I don't know why I was looking for a reversal / retracement on the higher time frame. But on the lower time frame, we did have this setup here. I thought this SMT was true, but it does not look like it was true, and it was not. You can see market had a 4-hour VI gap. We had this right over here, this 4-hour CRT, which is the 9 p.m. CRT, the time the range CRT. Market pressed it out at 2 a.m., which is not the key time, waiting to 3 o'clock. So at 3, right over here, we had another purge of liquidity, which was the time purge, which is the 2 a.m. CRT purge. Eventually, we had this 5-minute Model 1. This 5-minute Model 1 offered less than 2 RR. You see 1.829 at 1.89. I'm not going to be taking that. So yeah, this is my market recap. No trade taking, offering less than 2 RR. Yeah, thank you for watching. I had my bias wrong, which next trading session it should be fixed. So today I'm looking for a sell. So I'm looking for New York to do a continuation instead of reversal. Yeah, thank you for watching. We're trading against higher time frame, fear of missing move. Okay, emotional resistance. Okay. So you were trading against the high time frame, and you had a fear of missing move. Okay, you had emotional resistance. Yeah, which is not good. That's why I don't like to predict too much. Even with this, you see, I'm not going to be predicting the move where the market could be going, right? You can see how I predicted the move, right? I was like predicting it, looking for a reversal / retracement on a higher time frame. And guess what happened? Market proved me wrong and pushed right back down, right? So if I would have been a predictor, that right there, that decision would have been played with my emotions, would have messed up my emotional control. Would have been like, oh, what I'm saying? You would have messed up with my emotions. That's all I could say. After core content month 1, my trading changed a lot. Yes sir. Good shit, bro. But yeah, bro, don't be too much into predicting. You can see right over here, I was wrong. My prediction was what? Bullish movement. If I would have been stick to my predicting, I would have fucking had an emotional problem. But in this case, I was reacting to the market price. Market pushed back down, and I had my bias wrong, right? So yeah. All right, bro. I see you guys in the next training session, which is New York. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go find out why I had my bias wrong for the day. And yeah, thanks for watching, brother. Thank you for tuning in.